The high-definition wireless emergency deployment box is a customizable, cabinet-type video server product integrating camera, wireless transmission, monitoring, video recording and storage, and real-time image display. It utilizes a high-speed processor and embedded operating system, combined with the most advanced H.264 or H.265 video compression or decompression technology and network technology in the ID field. The product features a simple and portable design, flexible and convenient installation, powerful functionality, high reliability, and superior vibration resistance. It is primarily suitable for applications with high mobility, such as in outdoor off-site environments, as well as in public security, fire protection, law enforcement, oil fields, and power construction.